Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna make one of my favorite dish, the fried chicken, but I'm gonna make on my own style. It's nice and simple, great recipe for family and friends, for your shop, whatever you are. It's great to have it. If you sorry for the vegetarian today, but today we're gonna make a fried chicken. Next time we're gonna make something vegetarian fried for you. Right, I'm gonna use 400 grams of chicken wings and chicken breasts, 3 scrambled eggs, already scrambled 3 eggs. I'm gonna use 200 grams of panko, Japanese breadcrumb, 100 grams of semolina, 10 grams of dry chili, 1 gram of rosemary, 20 grams of parsley, and then we got some chili sauce for my dipping, homemade chili sauce for my dipping. Right, I'm gonna put salt and pepper first here on the chicken. Right, then I'm gonna add some dry chili, 10 grams. Then I'm gonna mix it together. Nice and spicy chicken. Right, now I'm gonna put the semolina on the chicken. Okay. There you go. So all the breadcrumb is gonna stick on the skin of your chicken. Right, now this is done. Okay, here on my panko Japanese breadcrumb I'm gonna put the rosemary, the parsley. They're gonna mix all together, so I'm gonna make a nice mix. Right, okay, very easy, simple recipe to do at home. So now I'm gonna put the chicken on the eggs. Okay, we don't need any more. Let's move in here. And then I'm gonna cover with all the eggs. Okay, as you can see, all covered with the eggs. And now we're gonna finish on our breadcrumb. Cover all the chicken on the breadcrumb. There you go. You can use it even for more chicken here. There's more eggs here. You're gonna put only 400 grams. And we mix all together now. Okay, our oil is already hot. I use rapeseed oil, great for fried, rich in omega-3, and make your food nice and crunchy and crispy. Great oil for frying, rapeseed oil. Okay, our chicken now is covered with the all breadcrumb. We're gonna just fry a couple of pieces now. Okay. We got little fryer, so we're gonna put a couple of pieces in one go at the moment. That should be enough. One more. Right, okay, this we will fry later. Chili dipping here. This one here. And also go out thermometer to make sure that your chicken is cooked, just to avoid any salmonella. Always I check my chicken first before we eat it. Right, our oil is hot, frying. Smell of the rosemary with the herbs is absolutely amazing. You guys, you should try at home. It's absolutely fantastic. That's my crispy fried chicken. Next time I'm gonna show you how you make my chili sauce dipping from your dish. always put something at the top to drain all the extra oil, so you can put paper or something like that just to avoid and drain all the oil in excess. When you see your golden brown chicken, that's gonna be the time to probe. You always good to have in the kitchen something thermometer like that for your food, for when you're cooking meat or probe water, anything. So it's very easy. It costs probably less than £10. It's a very good machine, especially when you are cooking chicken. You don't want to make sure it reach at least minimum 75 on top as well, even more than 75% of temperature degree. And you can see our chicken nice and golden brown, flaky bread, panko, Japanese breadcrumb. It's great for the fried chicken or vegetables or other dish. It's great. A breadcrumb, nice and flaky. Let's put it here in a second and then put inside. Minimum 75. Even more is better. 80, 90 degree is even better. And you can see it's reaching there, and yeah, it's good. 5. Right, reach 75. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give another minute extra. Always good. So we make sure our chicken is fully cooked through. Give another minute, and then we're sure our chicken is ready. Our chicken is ready. I'm excited to try. You are excited. I'm sure you are. Right, there you go. So double check again. They always probe the big part of the chicken. Because that was a big chunk, especially chicken wings and more big ones, so always probe the big part of the chicken. Yeah, here we are, that's it. Go up, over 80, bang, steam coming, it's fine. Right. Drain the oil in excess. Okay, we're gonna put here. There you go. Look at our chicken. Golden brown with all the herb, with the rosemary, with the parsley, with the salt, and now we're gonna have a pieces here. Look at that, nice. And then I'm gonna dip in with my chili sauce. Nice and hot. I love that. Guys, that's my spicy fried chicken for you. We always try to make something different. We normally cook pizzas here. We want more this recipe. Leave a comment below if you got any question, if you didn't been explain everything properly. And try at home. And then please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. The fried chicken, special Massimo style.